What's the meaning of annotate? Annotate. 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 Annotate.
To annotate means to add explanatory notes or comments to a text, image, or other form of media. The purpose of annotating is to provide additional context or clarification to the original content. Annotated content can be helpful in academic or professional settings as it enables readers to gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Annotations can be made using various methods such as highlighting, underlining, or adding marginal notes. Some digital tools enable users to annotate content collaboratively, making it easier to share insights and ideas with others.